You are going to love the 2020 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup camera, keyless entry, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener, security alarm, bucket seats, fog lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.